If you are thinking about selling your home in Utah, pause for just a second because selling today is not about slapping a sign in the yard and hoping for 2022 prices. The market has changed, buyers are pickier, homes are sitting longer, and relying on online estimate or old school advice is how sellers lose thousands. This playlist is your seller's masterclass. I break down what your home is actually worth, how to price it without killing momentum, which upgrades matter, how to handle inspectors and appraisals, and how smart sellers are still winning even with higher rates. No fluff, no agent speak, just real strategy, real data, and a modern marketing approach built for today's Utah market. Watch the full Sell for More Seller's Master playlist. And if you want a free custom home value and Sell for More plan, comment value, no pressure, just clarity.